All right, so we're here at the Next Berlin. So who are you?
I'm Hercules Fisherman.
So what do you do?
Well, I'm a serial entrepreneur and artist and investor in startups.
So do you have something to show here? What is that?
Well, this is a recent app I made for an exhibition I've got in Constance, and what it does, it's called Artspedia, and if we get it faster internet, it will go faster, but hopefully it will happen.
So what does it do?
It's basically, if you're in a gallery, you can point it at the work, and so it's now recognized the image and it's loading the image. So it recognizes the image and then it will give you information about that painting, for instance. So
Who made it?
I made it.
How much it cost?
But it's free.
No, I mean like the painting, it could say how much it cost if it's for sale?
Yeah, this painting is sold actually. I can't tell you how much, but this one is sold.
And it shows the
work is vary between a few hundred to like a couple of thousand.
So what kind of engine do you use to do the image recognition and all that?
We've used some combination of open source project works, and there's some algorithms done by some Italian developer of mine who I work with.
So where are you based?
I'm based in London.
So I've heard that you go around to several conferences. You talk with startups. What do you do?
Yes, I'm a mentor for a number of startups. I'm also involved as an investor or as a kind of board member for a number of startups. I'm also Next 100 selected, Next 100.
So what do you think is interesting right now in technology? What's going on?
Well, I think the mobile internet is very interesting. The whole areas of augmented reality is becoming hot. But there's a lot of cool stuff going on. There's plenty of new technologies, new gadgets coming around that enable people to work with, like Leap Motion, for instance. So there's a whole lot of new ways of interfacing with the world through computers.
It's very disruptive, no? It's difficult to figure out where the money is to be made also, no?
Well, it may be difficult to see where the money is because it's not a traditional thing. So they're all inventing new market for themselves as well. But through that, you get amazing new possibilities. I mean, like Leap Motion, for instance, I think it's going to bring quite a lot of new potential about how to interface and potential a lot of new companies to innovate on this kind of thing. It's a first iteration of the technology. Same with the Google Glass. All these kind of things are going to change the way we interact with the world.
It's a fun industry.
It's a fun industry. It's never a dull moment, of course.
All right. Cool. So looking forward to what's going to happen. What you're going to show, maybe, or
here. But
how many startups do you know here?
Well, I know quite a few startups. I mean, I know a lot of people. So generally, or they know me.
So who are better, like the Berlin startups or the London ones, or?
Well, it's different. I think they're all different in their own ways. But I like Berlin. It's a very buzzing city. It's much younger in terms of perspective about things. I think it's got less hang-ups probably than a lot of other cities.